Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about graphical solutions of linear inequalities in two variables. And in last video we have discussed graphical solutions of linear inequality in one variable. So here suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is Cartesian plane, and this is the graph of line which divide the plane into two parts. This is first part, suppose this is second part, and this part is called left half plane. This is vertical line. Vertical line divides the plane into two parts. One is left half plane and second is right half plane. Suppose this is line and this is line graph, and here this line divides the plane into two parts. This part is called upper half plane and this part is called lower half plane. This is upper half plane, this is lower half plane. So suppose standard equation of a line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard equation of line where a should not be equal to 0 and b also not equal to 0. Because if a will be 0, then this equation in one variable form. If b is 0, then this is also in one variable form. Look at first question of exercise 6.2. X plus y less than 5. We have to find out graphical solution of this. So we have to show by graph. So x plus y is less than 5. Firstly, we will draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. Because here boundary is given 5. Suppose I am saying I have money less than 50 rupees. Less than 50 rupees means it can be 49, it can be 48, it can be 47, but boundary, I have given you boundary 50 से less है, तो here boundary is given, so we will take boundary at x plus y is equal to 5. Firstly we will draw the graph of this. So x plus y is equal to 5, make table. Suppose put x is equal to 0, y will be 5, and if y is 0, x will be 5. So x 0, y 5, y 0, x5. So we will draw by graph. Here x-axis, this is y-axis. Take point on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if x is 0, y is 5. If y is 0, x is 5. So join these, and we will join these by dotted line. Because 5 is not including in this. If 5 is not including in this, then we will show by dotted line. And x plus y less than 5. For example, जैसे अभी मैंने आपको बताया है कि मेरे पास 50 रुपीज़ से लेस है, मे बी 49, 48, 47, एनीथिंग हो सकता है, 10 रुपीज़ हो. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी विल शेड द रीजन in which x plus y less than 5, which find the point we will which satisfy these. So how we will find? Suppose we can take any point from this side or this side, from this half plane or this half plane. We can take any point from this half plane or this half plane. Suppose 0, 0 is in this side. If 0, 0 satisfy this, then shaded region will be in this side towards origin. If this will not satisfy this, then shaded region away from origin. It means opposite side. So I am putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in this inequation, first inequation. So 0 plus 0 is less than 5. Is it true? It satisfies, which is true. If it is true, then shaded region towards origin. We will shade region towards origin. If it will not satisfy, then shaded region away from origin. Is it okay? Now come to next one. I am taking third question. In this less than and equal to sign, 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. So firstly we will draw the graph of line. Then we will shade the region. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Suppose x is equal to 0, y will be 3. If x is equal to 0, 3 into 0 plus 4y is equal to 12. Then 4y is equal to 12. Then y will be 12 upon 4, 3. If x is 0, y is 3. If y is 0, x will be 4. Now we will draw the graph of this This is x-axis. This is y-axis. You can take just positive side, no need to take negative side. यहाँ थोड़ा सा कम ले सकते हैं आप. 0, 1, 2. We have to take highest value 4. So minimum 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it clear? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. If x is 0, y is 3. This one. If x is 0, y is 3. This. If x is 4, y is 0. This. On x-axis, join these points. And here equality sign. So we will show by dark line. We will not show by dotted line, we will show by dark line. So this is the equation of line 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Now we want to find the shaded region. So same as first question, we will put 0, 0 on this graph. So 3x plus 4y is less than equal to 12. Equal to 12 equation is this, but less than we will check for less than 0 plus 0. If we will put x is 0 and y is 0, it is less than 12 or not? So 0 plus 0, it is less than 12. Yes, it is true. Which is true. 0 is less than 12. If it is less than 12, that means 0, 0 satisfies this inequation. So shaded region will be in origin or towards origin. Now come to this. Minus 3x plus 2y is greater than equal to minus 6. This is 7th question. Minus 3x plus 2y greater than equal to minus 6. So firstly we will draw the graph of line. Minus 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 6. So if x is 0, y will be minus 3. If y is 0, put x is equal to 0 here. So minus 3 into 0 plus 2y is equal to minus 6. So 2y is equal to minus 6 upon 2. Y is equal to minus 6 upon 2. It is minus 3. So it is minus 3. If y is 0, it is minus 3x is equal to minus 6. Then we will get x is equal to 2. Is it clear? And you can take any point here. You can take 1, 2, 3, 4 the values of x and you can find y here. As you wish, you can find the 3 points, different 3 points you can find here. But here 2 points are sufficient because one is on x-axis, other is on y-axis. So draw the graph of this. Here negative values, so I am taking negative also. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. You can take here also this in this way. Gap should be same. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can take points on this. Now here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Gap should be same. Here थोड़ा सा difference हो गया तो gap आपने same लेना है. If x is 0, y is minus 3. Below the origin. If x is 0, y is minus 3. If x is 2, y is 0. This point. Join these points. Firstly join. And here equality sign. Here equality sign. So we will not show by dotted line. We will show by dark line. This is equation of minus 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 6. Now we will find the shaded region. in which point are satisfying this inequation. So we will put 0 0, or you can put any point, -1 0 1 0 or 3 0. You can put any point from these. आप कोई भी पॉइंट या इधर का या इधर का कुछ भी पुट कर सकते हैं. इफ यू आर पुटिंग एनी पॉइंट ऑफ दिस साइड, if it satisfies, then area will be in this side. If it not satisfied, then area will be in this side. Now I am taking again 0 0 at the place of x and y. So -3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 is greater than equal to -6. Check it. 0 plus 0, it is greater than equal to -6. 0 is greater than -6. Equality sign also here. So this line shows equality. But 0 is greater than -6. Yes, which is true. Which is true. That means shaded region towards origin in this half plane. Okay or not? This in